everyone, welcome to my channel, My Life Vlogs UK. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon if you don't want to miss my latest video. Hi everyone, welcome to My Life Vlogs UK. Today I'm making cabbage. I want to share this recipe with you. 1 medium onion chopped like this, 1 green chili, and 1 tomato. 500 gram cabbage chopped like this, and now we need these spices. 2 or 3 small curry leaves, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon coriander, half a teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon garlic paste. With oil for cooking. Now we need to put oil in the pan. Now I'm going to put coriander powder, cumin seed, with curry leaves. Make sure coriander powder and cumin seed only cook for 15 seconds. Then add garlic paste. Now I'm going to add onion with green chili. Cook onion about 3 or 4 minutes. Now I'm going to add salt. Then you will need to give a good mix. Cook onion until gone soft. Now I'm going to put spices. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, add half a teaspoon turmeric. So I added just now. Give a good mix and put little bit water in it. Give a good mix again. Then you will need to add tomato. Mix well, and then you will need to cover with pan lid. Cook tomatoes until nice and soft. When you cover the pan, you will make sure your heat is on low flame. Now I came to check my tomato is nice and soft. I just cooked for 5 minutes, and now I'm going to mix again. Then I will put my cabbage in. Now you will need to make sure you mix all ingredients together. Now I'm going to cover again. Leave on medium heat for 10 minutes. And check after 10 minutes. My cabbage is not ready yet. You need to make sure you mix well again. I just add little bit water and going to cover again for 10 minutes on same medium flame. Now you can see my cabbage is ready for preparing. Now I'm going to dish out this cabbage. I hope you all like this cabbage recipe. See until finish. Take care of yourself and your loved one.